Hello, and welcome to another tutorial from WMS Underfloor Heating. Today, we are going to take a look at a frequently asked question about our manifolds and wiring centers. Why do the numbers on the manifold not match up with the numbers we can see on the wiring center? Let's get started. So here, we have an example of a wiring center and manifold with 3 rooms. The loop layout index numbers each room 1 through to 4, with the kitchen as number 1, the living room as 2 and 3, and the hall is number 4. These numbers indicate which of the manifold valves and loops serve which room. For example, valve and loop number 1 serve the kitchen, 2 and 3 serves the living room, and 4 serves the hall. We also have numbers on the wiring center numbered 1 through to 10. We often get asked, why do these numbers not match the numbers on the loop layout index? The simple answer is that these numbers represent thermostats and not circuits of pipework, and although related to each other, should not match, and here's the reason why. When a thermostat calls for heat, one of the numbers on the wiring center will light up, and only one per thermostat. So, when the thermostat in the living room, let's assume it is thermostat 1 in the home, calls for heat, the valves for loops 2 and 3 will open. Next, thermostat number 2, located in the kitchen, also calls for heat. This will open loop number 1. Finally, the hallway. Thermostat number 3 calls for heat and loop 4 will open. This is the reason why the numbers on the wiring center, which represent a single thermostat each, do not necessarily match the numbers on the manifold, which represent a loop or circuit each. And there can be multiple loops controlled by one thermostat. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials and other videos on our website or YouTube channel. Bye for now.